Welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a particle text animation effect using PowerPoint. So I'm going to use Microsoft Office. Click on this plus button. After that, click on PowerPoint, then blank presentation. The next steps after here is that we need a blank layout. So click on this upward arrow. The layout that we're going to choose is the blank layout. Click on here home, then click where is written design. Format the background to be black color. After that, go to back, then home. Then we are going to click on insert, and then we're going to insert a text box. So here you are going to write any of the names that you're going to use as your moving particle. For example, I'm going to put this color, and then I'm going to write the word e-learning skills like that, and then I can format, go to home, then I can put to center. I can increase the font size up to, let me say, around 80. Then I can change the font style. I can choose Algeria. Algeria is the best. I can choose this Algeria. Font size 80. And then I'm going to choose Algeria this way. So I'm going to use this word to show you what exactly I mean. So after this, all you just need to do is that you need to click also here where is written home, transition, and then the transition effect that we are going to use is the one that is written vortex. This vortex here, and then effect option, you can choose any, either right to left, or you can choose from left to right. It depends on which one is going to fit for you. You can try all of them. Then here is the final result of what I have created. So don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.